super comfortable. As in, walang ilang. Zero ilang. Pero, kasi pag nagla-love scene kami, we call it hot set. So, yung mga kailangan ng taong nandun. Partner mo, cameraman, director, producer. So, kampante ako na yung mga taong nandun is yung mga taong kailangan lang. Safe space. And so, sobrang comfortable ko na mag-all out talaga.
Oh.
Yeah.
Ay, if ever ganito, gusto nila parang mag-shoot kayo, mag-tape kayo ng isang scene. Pero, nandun, cast and crew and all, would that be okay with you?
No. Unfortunately, may naaway na ako kasi someone, hindi maaway. Someone who was not supposed to be there was there during a sensitive scene. At parang nahuli kong nag-video, so sinigawan ko on set.
Oo nga, no? Ang hirap naman. I was thinking, paano kung may mga ibang tao doon and then they took videos, something like that, diba? And hindi mo naman sila mapipigilan kasi pwede mo bang isa-isayin yung mga cellphone nila, diba, to delete the videos that they took, diba?
Tama. Unfortunately kasi, for other girls, parang nahihiya pa silang mag-call out. Lalo na, kunwari may nag-video, may nag-picture, nahihiya silang mag-call out. Eh ako, parang sobrang, ipaglalaban ko kung anong tama.
Yeah.
So parang pag binabastos ako, hindi ako papayag na babastusin ako. I'll call them out.